In today's connected world, the need to truly engage with your customers is more crucial than ever, but we are stuck with personas that are static and one-dimensional or reduced to just numbers and graphs. What if your personas had more than just a demographic profile? They had a face and a voice. Now, what if you could not only understand your customer segments, but actually talk, interact, and build relationships? That is the Persona Engine by BearingPoint. Now let's take a look at this revolutionary tool powered by AI. You start by logging in with your account. On the dashboard, you see an overview of your persona groups. A persona group is a segmented overview of your customer base, based on data you have selected. Here we are, creating a new persona group using the export of our website's web analytics. The Persona Engine algorithm presents us with an optimal number of segments, which you can always change. Let's take a look at our AI-generated personas. This is Luna. She represents a segment. Go ahead and have a chat with her. A conversation with your customers has never been this immersive. Luna can tell you more about the segment herself, or we can read about her needs and pain points and how she measures up against the other segments. The opportunities are endless with the BearingPoint Persona Engine. Connect with us to learn more.